this video, this part of the video, this might be a new video, it might not, but this part of the video is gonna be about some miscellaneous odds and ends on this truck and then kind of starting to clean it up and getting it ready to go. This one, I don't know if I've said it yet, but we're not doing a paint job on it. It's winter in here and I don't really have heat in the shop. And I'm not gonna try to paint it because I think the patina, while patina isn't really my style, I think this one does have good patina as far as that goes. It's nicely faded off and there's really no rust on it. It's just, I mean, even in the quarters and the rockers, there's none on this truck. It's beautiful, but the paint faded pretty well. So I'm gonna hit it with a rub-on clear coat and we will just lock in this patina and see how that does. But that doesn't mean we can't leave, or doesn't mean we can leave the inside looking terrible like it is now. So I've got whole new carpet, dash pad for it, upholstery for the seats I gotta redo. And this truck is slowly healing itself. I don't know how long it was sitting for. Guy I bought it from said he got it from a dude 15 years ago, 20 years ago maybe. Oh, probably, geez, maybe over longer than that, 1996 I think, and it's 2025 right now. So getting close to 30 years. I don't know that he did anything with it, drove it a little bit, then he swapped in a manual transmission. But point is, it's healing itself. None of the electrical in this thing worked at all. And just by turning stuff on, off, same thing with the starter, that was starting to get better. And the glow plugs, now they're working every time like they're supposed to. But I'll show you the headlight switch. I couldn't get any lights to work, and they just, ever since I've been playing with it, they've started to work. So that came on the first time. Let's see. Yeah. They're starting to stay on now, so that's great news. Got the headlights going, which is great. I don't think any of the blinkers have worked yet, but this little light here for the four-wheel drive indicator, as I'm spinning this around, it comes on occasionally. When I turn it to like full brightness, that light comes on. I don't know what that's about. Nothing behind the dash is coming on, but now I cannot get, now I can't get that one to come on the floor anymore at all. And back here, this light has never come on. This one is intermittent. So let's see if by twisting it I can get it to go. No, so I may have to get in there and look at the bulb. This one for sure I got to get into. I think I've got to, yeah, I'll take my word for it. That was on before. And then the blinkers, I don't think any of them work. So since the lights healed themselves, I'm not going to mess with that stuff too much. I'm going to focus on this interior. I have the carpet kit for it now. I'm still waiting on the seat covers, well, the actual new upholstery, but I'll get the carpet in and I'll work on putting on the dash pad, which I ordered from Amazon. All the reviews were terrible. It looks okay. We'll see if it's gonna work.
In your eyes, girl, let's keep this civil. Try to play it straight, got no time for riddles. Throwing out all these big signals, tension in the air, it sizzles. Had you in the morning, said let's keep this simple. Saw you in the evening, you were looking simple. Had a plan and now you're a wrinkle. Starting to think this could be official. Let me see your best move, let me see your best move, yeah. What's your best move? Let me see your best move, let me see your best move, yeah. What's your best move? Let me see your best move. Let me see your best move, yeah. What's your best move? Let me see your best move. Let me see your best move, yeah.
I'm happy with the progress for the interior. Got the trim on. We'll have to do a final detail and clean everything before it's done, but got all the carpets in, got the side pieces and the seat belts. I didn't put these guys in yet because I want to lift it up to cut the holes in the carpet for the seats once I get those in. But otherwise, I got the shifter boots in. This was the original one that came with the truck. I think it is for the early SM465s. This is a transmission boot cover out of an AX15 for a Jeep Cherokee. It kind of matched the style here. I got to get it to relax a little bit, but it matched the style with the squiggles and being circular, and it kind of fit on the carpet pretty well. Now I think either cover the dash or get these panels off and replace some of the window channel. It's in pretty rough shape. It's this stuff and this stuff mainly. This is real crusty, and I can't let it stay like that. This stuff up top isn't too bad, but the kit I got came with this and this. I opted not to buy the one with new door seals, because the ones I got last time off of Amazon, were just terrible. They were way too big and puffy, and they just still haven't broken in on my black truck. I gotta slam the door, and I hated that. And these OEM ones, they work perfectly fine. So